In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit USDT in Trust Wallet. So this is actually quite simple. First, you want to open up Trust Wallet either on your mobile device or like me on my computer as a Chrome extension over here. And then from here, what you're going to have to do, up top right, you can see the search button, click on that, and you want to type in USDT. From here, a lot of different ones will open, but the one you want to look for is this one, USDT, which says Tether over here, okay? So this one is going to be basically the basic USDT, and then you can just click on it, and over here it's going to show you your transactions and the price right now. You can of course look at that too if you want to. You can look at the graph over here, and after that, if you want to actually deposit it, you want to click on receive over here, and then this is going to be your receiving address over here. So as you can see up here, this is important. It says send only USDT to this address. Sending any other coins may result in permanent loss. So what you're going to have to do is you want to copy this by just copying it. This is basically your wallet address for your USDT, and then you want to go into any other of your wallets where you're holding some USDT and send it over to here. So for example, let's say you want to send it from, I don't know, let's say we're going to do Phantom, okay? I'm going to show you how to actually do this right now. You just want to go to your wallet. Any of the wallets, can be Binance, Coinbase, whatever, and make sure this one is copied when you click receive. So yeah, that's what you have to do. And in here, in any wallet, you want to click on send. Then you want to select USDT in any of your wallets. So if USDT isn't available, you're of course going to have to go to a different wallet. For example, in Phantom, it's not available, but let's say it was. You want to click on it, and then you simply want to paste it into the recipient address, and then just put in the amount, click on next and send, and just like this, your USDT will be sent to your Trust wallet. And when this refreshes, you'll be able to see you have some USDT on here on your Trust wallet. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.